Aw, you saw through my disguise.
iPad.
Well, not right now. I'm getting a little video of Cade. Look. He's playing. Doesn't he look cute? Look at him sitting up on his own. He's got lots of toys. You watching Kipper? And he says, I want to watch Kipper too. That's going to make me fall over.
Watch Kipper. Sandwich.
This is only the second day that Cade's been able to sit up like this. I know, Jasper, I know. I should get breakfast. I just thought he looked so cute there. I'd try to get a video of him. How about if I go get our breakfast? Can you say bye-bye to the iPad? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, iPad.
Say bye-bye. You're ready for breakfast, aren't you? Bye-bye, Jasper.
Bye-bye, Jasper.